Accounts Receivable and AFDA Problem 5. After the December 31st Year 4 adjusting journal entries have been posted, Mellon Enterprises has the following account balances, all normal balances. Accounts Receivable, $159,000 balance. Allowance for doubtful accounts, $4,000 balance. Bad debts expense, $8,700 balance. What is the net realizable value as of December 31st, Year 4? Accounts Receivable, AFDA, difficult topics. We know. We're going to make this a lot simpler for you, though. We're asked, what is the net realizable value as of December 31st, Year 4? Remember what NRV is. NRV, net realizable value, is an important formula. Two things. Accounts receivable, what do we subtract from accounts receivable? Take a minute. Think about it. I'll give you an example. It's a contra asset. AFDA, the allowance for doubtful accounts. Remember, allowance for doubtful accounts is an allowance account that we set up in order to take into account the allowance method, which is required under GAAP. And the idea is that we know that businesses, not all their customers are going to pay off what they owe the business. That's the idea. So we estimate that through the allowance account. So what is the net realizable value here? Well, we're given some information about after the December 31st Year 4 entry, we have some information. We've got accounts receivable. We've got allowance for doubtful accounts. Do we need bad debt expense? All we're asked here is just simply to calculate the NRV. Do we need bad debt expense? No, that's not relevant here. Now, if I asked you what would go into the calculation for the estimate for the year, yeah, bad debt expense, that would be something that would be important. But that's not what we're being asked here. We're asked about accounts receivable and allowance for doubtful accounts equals NRV. So the accounts receivable, $159,000 minus the allowance for doubtful accounts, which is $4,000, that gives us a NRV of $155,000. And that is pretty simple. And now you say, yeah, that it could be a lot more challenging depending on what's being asked. Could be asked about the estimate or whatnot. This one, just understanding the formula for net realizable value, how important that formula is really the stress here. Make sure that you know that NRV formula.